Let me tell you why, if you have adult siblings, you absolutely need to go on a weekend trip with them. But first, before we left for our little vacay, I did a little cycle bar action with my friend Michelle because it was CMA Fest themed, very fun. But then we got the heck out of Dodge because nobody wants to be in Nashville for CMA Fest weekend. Sibling trip started with a little stop in downtown Franklin where we got some lunch, and then we made a little stop over to Goodwill for something very fun. The Goodwill challenge was to create an outfit from only things you find at Goodwill, and you will see those later. Then we made a little stop for drinkies, and then we were off to our cabin. Then we got into town and cracked up at the international section of this tiny grocery store, TGI Fridays. That was one diverse international section. Then it was time for our Goodwill fashion show. Josh was up first with this lovely camp fit. Lexi found these beautiful short creations. Then Matt and his, I don't know what to call this. Jake went 90s beach camp counselor. We love it, we love it. And then I found this butterfly jumpsuit. Just in case you wanted a little more of that, here we all are gathering together for what would become a group picture and looking fly. Then we gathered on the porch and played some cards for a little bit. Then we took a nice little walk by the lake as the sun went down. Jake had to run to catch up with us. It is so pretty out here. Then we ended the day with some more card playing, and that was sibling trip day 1.